everyone, welcome to Time Crunch Tuesday. I am back in the kitchen and I am going to show you how to make a quick, easy, and delicious breakfast that actually is something that I eat pretty much every day, just in a different form. I am going to make the 3-ingredient pancakes. They're actually a recipe in my Best Whole 5 e-cookbook, and it is only comprised of 3 ingredients, which are eggs, banana, that you know I love, and some vanilla extract. And the thing that I love about this, and aside from it being gluten-free and really healthy, is that my breakfast typically consists of eggs and some kind of a fruit, whether it be bananas, strawberries, apples, something like that. So by doing this, I'm able to take the same components, so the protein from the eggs and some fruit, and combine it and make it into something that is different from my palate. It's the same satisfaction as if I were eating actual pancakes, so I get to feel like I'm being a little guilty, but they're really light and healthy and very, very satisfying without the guilt. So all I'm going to do is take my little NutriBullet cup and add 1 banana. I just cut it up so that it's easier to go into the cup. A half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 whole eggs. I'm using organic. It's just what I like to use better than regular. And use your handy dandy NutriBullet that you also know that I love. And you just blend. And that's it. You have your pancake batter. Very simple. You could even, if you're not enjoying it right now, I wouldn't let it go longer than a few hours just because the bananas could brown due to oxidation. But you could put this in the refrigerator if you don't want to eat for a couple hours. But again, just keep it within the same day so it doesn't get really funky. Then what I did was, due to TV magic, I already made some. So you could see the outcome. They literally look like your real Bisquick, Aunt Jemima, Hungry Jack pancakes, but I made them into hearts using one of these guys. Because they are a looser batter, they seep really easily. So 2 things: make sure that your pan is really hot before pouring the batter in. 2, make sure that it's properly greased. I used ghee or clarified butter. I think it adds a richer flavor. And then when you take your holder or your guide here, make sure to either put some kind of coconut oil or ghee or Pam or something on it so it doesn't stick. So you're going to use this so that it keeps the shape. Make sure your pan is hot so it doesn't seep all over. In addition to that, put this down, few minutes on each side, and you have yourself pancakes. That honestly took me not even 5 minutes. I like to add some cinnamon and some honey, and that's it. And if I had some fresh blueberries, which I don't, I would add it to that as well. And again, these are a great source of protein, some fruit, no added salt or sugar or anything like that, nothing processed. And they are satisfying and make you think, oh my gosh, I'm indulging in pancakes, when really it's just eggs and bananas. So that is my Time Crunch Tuesday tip of the week. You can make these quick 3-ingredient pancakes at any time. You could even enjoy them for lunch, which I'm probably going to do today. And all of this could be done with 3 simple ingredients in under 5 minutes. And again, you could find the recipe at on my e-cookbook, Best Whole 5, and that could be found at bestwhole5book.com. So little plug there, but honestly, it's one of my favorite recipes, and it's a great way to use those bananas. If you're not using them in the banana whips or the banana bread, or just eating them plain or in a smoothie, all the other ways you could eat a banana, now you could eat them in a pancake. So I hope you all have a great week. Next week is the 4th of July, so I will be doing something fun and patriotic for that. And in the meantime, I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you next week.